Hi, I'm Leilani Evans, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about Sage 300 Construction Real Estate and the MyAssistant module. With so many details, documents, and data that circulate throughout your business at any given time, it's easy to overlook important information. MyAssistant helps keep you in the loop on all fronts so you can act quickly to take advantage of opportunities and avoid issues important to your role and business. Let MyAssistant take action for you so you can focus your attention to where it's needed most and be more productive. Again, my name is Leilani Evans. I am the Construction Software Sales Associate at TAG. TAG is an authorized Sage certified dealer of the software products. 100 Contractor and 300 Construction Real Estate are our main accounting systems that we deal with exclusively. We have Sage certified consultants who are ready to transition you from your old software program. We also offer estimating and e-takeoff as well as project management and service operations out in the field. We have clients all over the U.S. and today we're going to focus on MyAssistant and the ways to improve operations through automation using this module. With this module, you can identify subcontractors with insurance expiring in 30 days and send them a personalized email requesting an updated certificate. You can also provide each project manager with a list of cost codes that are over budget or close to going over for their job. You can generate and distribute each project manager's job reports on a regular schedule automatically. Alert affected parties when a change request, RFI, or a submittal is overdue. Enable project managers to check their profitability, indicate jobs or contracts not billed in a certain number of days. This program is essentially your assistant. Sage 300 Construction Real Estate utilizes these tasks to pull data from your software system and notify people within or outside of your organization when certain things need attention. Sage certified lead consultant Olivia Romer comes to us with over 15 years of experience in construction accounting. Her specialties include developing unique workflows and creating custom reports. She provides our customers controller-level accounting services specifically for contractors. She does a lot of great work with various different developers, subcontractors, general contractors. So we're happy to have her explain and demo for you Sage MyAssistant.
So in here you have all these pre-built tasks. So you can activate these tasks at any time, whichever ones you want, and then put in the certain criteria that you want. So in this example here, I want to send the vendors their list of outstanding lien waivers. I can just come in here and I can activate this one. So, and now I can run it on a schedule. So I can say, just run it now this one time, or I can say, hey, run it every Wednesday at, 6 a.m., send it to them, and or I can do multiple schedules. I can say, send it every Wednesday and Friday at 6 a.m., or once a week, or once a month, or once, whatever that schedule that you want it to be in. Let me go ahead and I'm going to say just weekly on Wednesdays at 6 a.m. And then I want it to just run on this data folder. So if I had multiple Sage folders in here, then I could say which ones I want it to look at to run this information. In this example, I'm just going to pick my main data folder. Okay, and then this shows what the email is going to look like. So it's pulling the AP vendor contact name from the AP vendor setup, and it's saying, hey, vendor, based on our records, we need the following lien waivers, and then it's showing them a description of the job, the commitment, let's the date it was issued, the invoice number it's for, the invoice amount, the lien waiver type, and if they have any secondary vendors. Okay. Now, if there was some additional information that I wanted to put on there, I could grab the field from here and add it so that it shows in the grid. This is an example. This is showing us any RFIs that haven't been returned by the job, what those RFIs are, etc. So these are just some examples of some of the things that MyAssistant can alert you to. Another example here is, here are all my vendors that have expired workers' comp insurance. So again, listed here are all my vendors. These are the dates that their work comp insurance expired, etc. And just like with the last one, if I want to send it to each individual vendor, I can do that as well. This one is showing any jobs that are over budget by more than $500. So here in this example, there is no budget entered, so that's why it's over budget, because there is no budget to compare it to. But if there was a budget in here and it was over $500, then it would also show up on this list here. So you create your own as well. I'm going to get out of here. So here I can come to new task. I can say, what is this task? New jobs. This is going to show me any new jobs that we have. And I can put it into various categories. These are categories you set up. And I'm going to say it's under job setup. And list of jobs created in last 7 days. Okay. So now in here, I can pick the information and I can find out what type of stuff I want to bring over. So here, I actually want the job setup. Okay, I want this, and that's job in progress. Let me make sure I got the right one. Yeah. Okay, job in progress. Oh. Okay. And again, same thing. I can schedule it. I can pick which data folder I want it to begin. I can figure out how I want the email address to look, who should receive this email, what I want the body of the email to look like, and then what fields I want to bring from Sage to this little grid here down at the bottom. So that everything that's in this grid, that's all this stuff in blue here is what I'm pulling into this grid down here at the bottom.
Thanks for watching. That was a quick video on what MyAssistant can do to help automate your operations. My name is Leilani Evans. I'm the Construction Software Sales Associate at TAG. And if you'd like more information or a demo of Sage 300 Construction Real Estate, feel free to email or call me directly. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and click subscribe.